Hey guys, this is Elfmo Day 7, Cardboard Christmas Trees. You could paint them and make a bunch for a Christmas photo, or place them around your home. I got sheets of cardboard from Costco. For the bigger tree, I cut 2 boards at 17.5 inches by 23 inches. Then I created a grid. I made 4 rows that were 5 3/4 of an inch apart, and I made 10 columns that were 1 3/4 of an inch apart. Starting from the top, I made diagonal lines going from the top center to 2 columns out and 1 row down. Then I made diagonal lines starting from 1 column in, going to 2 columns out and 1 row down. I continued doing this until I reached the bottom. Next, I cut out the tree. Find the center, then make a slit that's the same thickness as the board, going from the center point to the bottom center of the cardboard. The cardboard that I used was 1/8 of an inch thick. Trace it onto another piece of cardboard. Make the slit, starting from the center point, going to the top center of the cardboard. Then cut it out. I made a smaller tree with 2 boards that were 15 inches by 18 inches. I made 10 columns that were 1.5 inches apart, and I made 4 rows that were 4.5 inches apart. I repeated the same steps I used to make the bigger tree. and your cardboard Christmas trees are done.